Everyone, my name is Seunghwan and welcome back to SwiftEngine. In this video today, I'm going to demonstrate how to insert data into the database with SwiftEngine. So, why do we insert data into the database first before we read it? That's because in order to read any data from the database, we need to have something inside the database first. Instead of putting data manually through a website, we'll learn some code to do that. Right? After putting some arbitrary data into the database, we'll manually check if data was successfully inserted through mlab.com. Just a quick note on this tutorial today, MongoDB automatically generates _ID field, but I will insert a unique ID in this tutorial because I just don't like a system automatically doing something for me, which is kind of weird. Now I'll demonstrate how to insert data into the database. So first log in, and then get to your product, and remember which one it was? It was tutorial.ssp for me. Now, what I'm going to do, okay, I'm not going to cover RESTful API for today's tutorial. Try to follow along, and if you have trouble understanding it, check out our beautifully crafted documentation about RESTful API in our website. So for today's tutorial, we will use Request.addHandler method to capture the post request. What you do is simply type Request.addHandler, and then for method post with route asterisk. So this is pretty understandable, right? Okay. For method parameter, clearly takes in the request method, which is post for this tutorial. And then asterisk is just a wildcard that matches on all methods and on any route. So first thing is to type this, route params in let JSON equals to be request server raw post data. So what this line does is basically, when you request a post method, you're gonna put some JSON documents into it, right? This will find if there's any raw post data and then just give it to the JSON data if it exists. And then what we're gonna do is var document try document extended JSON. What this code is doing is basically turning our JSON data into the document type so that we can manipulate it before we insert it into the database. And then as I promised, I'm going to create unique ID for our ID and then insert it into the database finally. Okay, I'm going to rename our collection time because that makes more sense. And then response, we're gonna print out whatever we get or whatever we put it into the database, and this is how you do it. Dictionary representation. I know it is wrong. It is very long. I think I'm gonna make a mistake. Hopefully I didn't make any typo. And remember how to test this? We just simply go to tutorial. If no error occurs, then it is a good thing. Okay, that's a good thing. Forget about this because we didn't post anything. So I use Postman for posting data to the REST service. If you guys know any better tools, please let me know. So what you do is basically here, you choose the method, and I'm going to choose post, and then it's going to be not this one. It's going to be what? Tutorial.ssp, the URL, and then in the headers, you must put this manually. Content type, and then application JSON. So in the body, that's what we put. Okay, I'm gonna put, I have previously tested this before, so I have some stuff in here. I'm gonna make name John, that's my English name. Hello guys. Age 23, and then type to be tutorial, and simply send. Let's see what happens. no error, and then we just successfully inserted some data into our database. Thank you for watching the video. See you guys again.